Hello and welcome back again. So today we are going to be covering new ground. So I have not ever looked at this before, so it's going to be new for you and me. So we're going to be looking at this video, exercise background generator, and we will see how far we get. We might go on to the file. This is probably linked to this task, and then we'll see. I think this will be one video, and then this will be another video, last one on the DOM manipulation. So should be fun. Let's crack on with this and see how far we get. See you in a bit.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, welcome back. So, as you can see, we've done a few things. First of all, we've created a HTML which had the title of background generator and also the H1 of background generator, in which we created two input tiles, as you can see here, with an ID of color 1 and 2, a H2 tag of colors CSS background, or no, current CSS background, and just a H3 tag, also linking to our script and our CSS. In our CSS we got all the information provided by the teacher on making this look as it does. So just the looks on which we could work on, and we know how to do all of these now. The only thing we didn't know is this one, and this is line gradient to right. So we're creating a linear gradient, so the color going from left to right, and it is from red to yellow. So if I refresh this, it's going to be going from red to yellow. Now in the inputs we have got different values set, but that doesn't really make any difference. And then we have our JavaScript, which is interacting with all of these. So first of all, we selected the colors. We have a hashtag in front of it because they're IDs on all three of these. So the colors, and then the body, which is what contains the actual background, as you can see, and then the H3 tag, which is just empty for the moment. So we had the function, and then two event listeners with the input. So if we interact with this, then that gives it an input, and what that does is that it sets the generator set gradient, which generates the color of the background. So sorry, I'm a bit tired. So we first of all set the body.style.background to have a linear gradient to right with the value of color 1 and the value of color 2, and then lastly to show what the actual colors that we're using are, we have got it put into with using the text content into the CSS, which is just the H3 tag, and that describes what the actual background is, which you can see here. So whenever you change this, the background changes as well. So if I make it some nice colors, then you can see what we are using to create this background. And that's it really. The one extra thing I could do, which I think I'll probably avoid because it does sound quite tedious, and I'll see if I want to do it or not. It is a bonus section, so we'll see, but it's just to make a randomizer. But I kind of have an idea on how I would do it, but we'll see. The next topic does sound quite interesting because then we will actually be starting to look at jQuery and React, so should be fun. We'll see if I do this or not. And if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, whatnot, and see you in the next one. Bye.